So in this Inkscape tutorial video, I'm going to show you guys how to fill text with images here in Inkscape. So first thing you have to do is go ahead and add some text to your design. So I'll just simply go ahead here, type in the word text. I will then make it a little bit larger so it's easier for you guys to see. Once that is done, I want you to go ahead and add an image to your design. I'll do that right now. So I have this image right here. I don't 100% know what it is, but it's just an HD stock image, whatever it is. So the text is right here. The image is right here. I'm going to put the image over top like this. I'm then going to go ahead to the top here, press on Object, then press on lower to the bottom so that my text is in front of my image right here. So just kind of make the text go where you want it to go. So for example, if I wanted to make it, large, I can go ahead and do this just like this. Now once that is done, I want you to go ahead here and press on the text right here. And I want you to go to the top left to where it says select all objects. Make sure that both objects are selected. Once that is done, go to the top, press on object, then go to where it says clip, and then press on set clip. Now what that does, as you guys can tell, is the image is now inside of the text right here, so you can make it larger or smaller, whatever the case may be, and the image that you selected will be in the text, just like this. So very simple, very straightforward, but that's how you guys can add an image inside of text here in Inkscape. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.